whether it is unwanted physical touch or unsolicited messages, especially offensive messages, off-color remarks, subjective messages, offensive jokes, sex for promotion offers, sex for job benefits increase, and things related to that in a work environment. It is sexual harassment, and it must be treated with every level of seriousness. If you're a business owner, whether a big business or a small business, it is important you listen to this video. Organizations and institutions, please understand that you must treat issues of sexual harassment with all seriousness, because it has the capacity to bite you really hard. And we're talking about cases that can completely destroy your reputation in public eye. So that is why you must take it up when a staff member, whether a junior staff member or senior staff member, doesn't matter the cadre, once issues of sexual harassment is being reported, give it every seriousness that it deserves, because it's an important subject that breaches on the victim's fundamental human rights. And you don't want to be caught supporting sexual harassment in your office or your company or business place. So understand quickly that it is a very, very serious subject. Now, in the case of AGK Maduka, this is Microsoft Nigeria Limited and others. The claimant, who also was a female employee in that case, took the company to court. Yes, and her claim was that the company didn't protect her when a senior staff member of that company was sexually harassing her. According to her, she had to leave. She had to resign when the pressure was too much for her. Now, that's what we call constructive dismissal. And of course, the court held that it's the duty of the company to protect her when she raised that complaint at that level. Okay? So what that means is that as a business owner, as a business executive, as senior executive members of the organization, and management members, you owe a duty of care to your staff members. You hold them a duty, all right, to protect them against sexual harassment in the workplace. So you see that is a serious matter. And in that case, the claimant, was paid compensation. Today, the case is being referred to. It's now a precedent in issues concerning sexual harassment in the workplace. So protect the reputation of your business, of your organization, of your institution, not to find itself in this kind of situation. Now, if you're a victim of sexual harassment in your office, in your business place, listen, you need to gather evidence, approach the HR of your company or institution or organization, and let them know what you're passing through. Let them know what is going on. Make a complaint to your manager, the chairman, if it's a business, all right? Do let the management staff know what's going on with you. And if after several complaints, which you too must keep copies, because that's your proof, you must keep copies of your evidence that you made reports and, of course, nothing was done, all right? You approach your lawyer knows what to do. The lawyer knows the appropriate courts to approach, which is the National Industrial Court. And definitely file a petition there for you, where it is found that especially when you have sufficient evidence, you find out that even though a lot of people believe that there are no laws in Nigeria, but I tell you, trust the system. Give the system the benefit of doubt. It will work. The instrumentality of the law works pleasantly for people that know their rights and for people that do not sleep on their rights. That's two ways. Okay? So that's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. Now, my recommendation for business owners, organizations, and institutions, please improve on your workplace policies. Some of you don't have workplace policies. Your employees don't know that you have zero tolerance for sexual harassment. They don't know this because you don't have a workplace policy. So please get your lawyer to prepare one. And if you have one already, make sure you follow it up. That when complaints come from staff members about sexual harassment, no matter who is involved, take it up and see to it that justice is done. All right, until I see you in our next video, thank you. Kindly share, kindly like, kindly comment. We'd like to hear from you and have a pleasant time.